Good morning, everyone, and welcome to This Week in Web Applications Programming with Java. Let's jump in and take a look at what's going on with this week's module. Slide down, we're in May 20th through May 26th, Web Applications and Maven. Now, when we jump on in, take a look at the readings. Now, the foundational reading, of course, is your text, chapter 1, and it leads you through everything you need in order to be successful for the graded activities for this week. Additional information is provided there if you need it, but I want to be clear. Everything you need is in chapter 1 of your textbook. Now, I also provided an overall summary of what we're going to do this week in our class. And through the prerequisites of the course, I assume everyone has a solid foundation in Java, some foundation in internet technologies. I wanted to make sure for the basics of HTML, everyone had some additional supporting resources if you need them. And there they are, those are they. You may have your own resources that you like to use. Anything on any quizzes or exams will not come from supportive resources or supplemental readings that I give you. Everything from quizzes and exams will always come only from your course required textbook. But I wanted to make sure to provide you additional information if you need it, since so many people are coming from lots of different backgrounds. Next, we have kind of a step-by-step through the reading in your textbook. Your header information corresponds to different areas in your textbook. And then there are supplemental deep resources for areas, for those of you all who may need to firm up that foundation a little bit or get a deeper understanding of the different areas of your textbook. Again, however, anything that's in a quiz or a exam like your midterm or final will only come from the textbook. These videos and step-by-step tutorial videos, some will come from me, some will be supplemental information that I find to be useful if you need it. None of that information will be on a quiz or a exam, but I believe if I attach them to our curriculum, I believe them to be pretty good resources to help you if you need it. Once you go through the presentations and demonstrations, then you will be asked to do your peer interaction. Now, for your peer interaction, there's lots of ways to be successful in doing this, but basically it comes right from your textbook, tasks A through D. That's on pages 42 and 43 in your text. However, I have copied and pasted those steps right into the peer interaction. Basically, I need to see that you have the ability to create a couple of web pages using the markup information that's within chapter 1. And I need to know that you have set up Maven and then also Tomcat. So you can, do that in your own way. For those of you all who have side gigs making websites or something, you can, there's no specification as to what type of web pages I need you to create. Really, I'm just making sure that you are comfortable creating HTML files, JSP page, and that you're comfortable setting up the directory structure using Maven, and that you can display that on a local server using Tomcat. Those of you all that want to use other servers on your local machines, just reach out, let me know what you're doing so I can make sure that it can support the curriculum in our course as established, and you should be okay as long as you're on your own. I'm going to focus on Tomcat regarding a local server here. Those of you all that want to put your stuff out on the internet actually and have a server, I don't know if you're using Amazon or what, where you're at in regard to a live server on the internet, Just let me know what's going on, okay? Otherwise, I'll assume everybody's using Tomcat and setting up a server on your local machine. Once you finish this peer interaction, don't forget to be sure and interact with at least 2 of the students in the course. Make sure you reach out to those peers, interact on whatever they posted. Again, this peer interaction really should simulate, you all meet up in the lab and maybe you're working together on the assignment, and kind of batting ideas back and forth as to how to successfully complete the assignment, or any, if you go off on a side conversation or side projects, maybe you talk about those. Really should simulate that in your peer interactions. Once you finish your peer interaction, you have a simple quiz. Now, always these quizzes are to establish a foundation in the curriculum as it was covered for that week. The material will always come right from your course textbook, and these quizzes will always prepare you for the upcoming midterm and then cumulative final exam. So that's it for this week and what we're doing. I hope you all have a great week, and if you have any questions at all about the curriculum in the course, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Have a great week, everyone.